If you're looking for a holiday side dish that's as beautiful as it is delicious, look no further.
Perfectly seared asparagus with an amazing French bernaise sauce.
Light, elegant, and off the charts yummy.
Every bite is like springtime at its best.
It is. This is one of those side dishes that a lot of it you can do in advance. It's about to be Easter. It's just so great. So let's get going on this bernaise sauce. We're going to kind of work in tandem here.
Yes, exactly.
So we've got some nice sized asparagus.
Giant.
Those are big ones. You don't want to get the really like pencil ones because they want to hold up to this amazing bernaise sauce that we're going to make. And this sauce is so easy and so delicious.
And I'm just going to cut off the ends here.
Just cut those ends off.
Yeah.
Okay, so I've got a 1/4 cup. This is tarragon wine, or no, it's tarragon vinegar. It can be kind of hard to find, but tarragon is a crucial ingredient in this bernaise sauce. So I had some, and so I'm using it, but you could also use champagne vinegar. That's 2 tablespoons of just good old white wine. This is 1 shallot that I minced. Or you could, if you can't find champagne vinegar or tarragon vinegar, you could use just good old white wine vinegar. And then I've got, that already smells so good.
Tarragon.
Tarragon. That is fresh tarragon. I love it. We're going to put in just about a 1/2 teaspoon of this. And what we're going to do is we're just going to let this reduce down.
And while that's reducing, I'm going to put these over here in this boiling water for about 2 minutes.
No, we're going with exactly 2 minutes. Don't do it any less or any more because that's just going to start to get them kind of soft, and then we finish them off in the skillet. Okay, so this reduced down in about half. The smell is incredible.
Amazing.
Okay, so we are doing this bernaise in the blender. It's so easy. As with every great French sauce, it's like a lot of butter, but that's what we love about it.
And these asparagus, they are now perfectly blanched, I guess you'll call it. Took those out of that water. They only stayed in there for about 2 minutes. Took them out.
Brought it back up to a boil. Yeah.
Then I took them out and I put them into some an ice bath just to cool them down real quick. Dried them off, and here they are.
And you want them to keep that really bright, vibrant green color. That's so important. If you overdo it, they'll get kind of tepid looking. Okay, now you want to strain that that reduction for me.
This is the gold.
It's the flavor
really
bomb, as we like to say.
Wow. Okay, here, let me get this in here. Oh.
Yeah, and then you want to press down on those shallots. You want to get all
that shallot juice.
Flavor there. Okay.
There you go. Wow. Oh, look at that, you guys.
That is. This sauce gives hollandaise a run for the money. It's very similar, but it's got that tarragon, and tarragon has just a little hint of, I always say licorice, but not like overly licorice.
I'm gonna put this over here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna bring this over here. We're gonna get this party going.
I'm telling you, this comes, and so this asparagus, you can blanch it way in advance. You want to finish it off in the skillet, which is what we're gonna do. This bernaise you can make in advance. So it may seem a little frenetic right now, but believe me, you can work it into your plan.
Yes, totally. All right, so I've got my blender here, and I've got 3 egg yolks. Just gonna drop those in. And then I have, this is the juice.
That's the reduction.
This is the reduction, the juice. The shallot juice, I like to call it.
And tarragon, And then a nice healthy pinch of salt.
Oh, wow, that smells amazing.
The smell is
and some salt. And then I'm gonna blend this up real quick. Get it nice and
mix that together.
Yes.
And then this hot melted butter is going to cook those eggs. Okay, that's good.
That's good?
Yeah.
All right.
Now we're just going to slowly, this is called teamwork. And it just transforms it into the most incredible sauce. Let that go for a couple seconds. That looks wonderful, yes.
Okay.
So now while you're doing that,
steaming out of the top.
I'm going to get this. I've got a nice large skillet over here. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil. And then I'm also going to add a tablespoon of unsalted butter. And we're going to saute this asparagus, and it's going to come together so fast.
And I've got this. I'm going to put this in here. I'm not quite done with this. Oh, look at that.
Oh, that consistency.
Oh.
It's so easy, and it's just so good. I know.
I'm dying.
I'm telling you, when you taste this, you're going to want to put it on eggs, on like Eggs Benedict. It's like everything that hollandaise wishes it was. No, I love hollandaise sauce.
I love hollandaise too.
Now you want
I just want to do a half a
teaspoon
lemon
of fresh lemon juice. That's good. That's perfect. And and then a little more tarragon.
All of this, Chris, or just a little?
Yeah, yeah. You can save a little bit for, we can do a little garnish if we want.
There we go.
Okay.
Wow, y'all.
It's coming together, kids. Okay, so now I've got...
Oh, wow, I'm dying.
I know, that is, went over this. So now we're gonna add this
mix
to
in
the
that lemon juice.
skillet, and it's only gonna take just literally a couple of minutes. I'm gonna hit this with a little salt and pepper. You just want it to get, you don't wanna overcook it. You just kinda wanna maybe start to see a few little brown spots, and then it's ready. Look at these. So these went for just a few minutes, and they're ready to plate now. These are so pretty. Get a nice big platter. These are nice size asparagus. I like the little skinny ones too. They're fun, but for this kind of dramatic, you definitely want something nice and robust.
There we go. Okay. Let me make
now
sure
we're just
everybody
gonna
can see this perfectly.
do a nice big ribbon of this, and it's got a nice thickness to
Ooh,
it.
it is.
It's just so amazing.
I'm dying.
I know.
I'm dying.
I'm telling you, it's one of those dishes that is so impressive. And you're gonna wanna have plenty of this left on the side.
Yes.
We got a little extra tarragon here. We're just gonna sprinkle that over there. You know, why not? Let's do a little fresh lemon zest.
Oh,
I know.
I'm dying.
Okay.
There we go. That is gorgeous. That is perfect for your holiday table.
It really is. I know you guys are gonna be so happy when you do this. Okay,
all
now
right.
here, you want me to?
Yes.
I'll hand you some.
Spear me up a couple.
I'll spear you up a couple.
There we go.
Of course, you normally have your nice, beautiful roast sitting next to this, and probably some potatoes Dauphinoise.
And I'm gonna put a little more of this on here because I love this.
Exactly.
Sauce. Look at that. Oh, come on. There we go.
And in the blog post, we tell you how you can make this in advance, how you can reheat it.
There you go.
Come on,
Chris.
baby.
There you go. There you go.
That is a drizzle like none other. I love it.
I'm a good drizzler.
You are good. You drizzle with the best of them.
Yeah. All right. Let me just.
I like the asparagus. It's got just a few little brown spots from where it was. We sautéed it, but not too much. You want to keep it nice and crisp.
All right, I've got a good amount of this sauce. Yeah, ready?
Wow. I mean, even people that don't like asparagus will love this.
I love that. I love that so much. I want to stick my finger and go.
I'm surprised you haven't. What, like?
Oh, yeah.
It's so vibrant and just so good. And
and that lovely tarragon taste.
It's not overpowering.
And the lemon and the butter.
The butter, folks.
You guys, I'm gonna use my finger. Look at that.
Wesley, I know, it's so, like I said, have it like next to some ham and some potatoes. That's the perfect.
That is perfect for Easter, if you celebrate. Wow, that is 100,000% lunatic.
Wow, for a little old side dish.
For a little old side dish.
A little old side dish.
Oh.
All right, you guys. We hope you're having if you are celebrating Easter, we hope it's absolutely beautiful for you. Spend time with your family. We love you guys so much. Make this asparagus with bernaise.
It's perfect and it's easy.
It is. You saw it. You saw it. It's a snap. All right, bye everybody. Love you.